Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with an update. So yes, you rightly pointed out there were some errors in the formulas. Let me apologize for that. So I have upgraded and checked each and every formula. So let me show you. So this one is taking the wholesale, the right lender name and the checkbox. And this one is shifting to down and the second lender rehab. This one also shifting down with transactional. And this one is shifting down with the new lender as well. Let's check this one. Similarly for this one, randomly we can check. You can see the references are okay now. Let me check this one as well. I'm checking randomly because I have stretched these formulas on the right side from the first column. Similarly for this one, let's check this one. Yep, everything is okay now. Now regarding the formulas at the bottom, so these are called array formulas, and you don't need the formulas and in the subsequent rows. An array formula will accommodate all the whole column. So if there will be any new entries on the left side within the criteria range of this formula, those will get evaluated and you will see the values in there. I think I have stated this earlier in my video as well that you don't need to worry about the stretching the formula down. So this formula is good enough for the whole column so that it can pull the relative values and make the calculation accordingly. Now, let me give you a quick overview on this. Yeah, I have one observation for this formula, but I have taken. I think yeah, you are right that we can use the formula directly because these ranges are average, and then further we will divide it. We'll make further average to this which will be wrong. So this is the right way that the totals of the days within these formulas are coming from the similar the ranges upfront. So we can take the total of all the number of days. We can take the total of that, and then we can divide it by the filtered number of days, number of loans. So yeah, it's getting the total of the number of days from here and dividing it by the number of loans to get the average NOD per loan. And this is right. Okay, now let me show you the working of the date ranges. Currently, it's from January 2016 to 31st, 2024. Therefore, you can see this. And I've seen that this entry is the only entry for this lender. Here it is on the row number 68. Having a loan type of rehab. And in column T, there is amount of 140,000. So let me, and yeah, the date is 2023. So I'll be going back 2023, May 2023. So I'll be making this 2022. So that now you can see there should not be any values in here because we have changed the date. We have changed the date range, which is not within the range. And you can see there is no value in the total in here. Now regarding the first and the main thing of if there is any date in any of the column, then still continue working. But if there are two dates, then apply those date ranges. So let me delete everything first. And you can see if there are no dates in the ranges, then it will evaluate all the available data. And yep, it's evaluating all the ranges, all the available values within the ranges and within the criteria. So no date filter then applied. Now, if I'll select any date in here, let me select a date of 2020, maybe. Yep, let's take this one. Still, you will see there is no change in the value. It's still showing the relevant values. Now, if I'll add another date in here and make it 2022, maybe. So maybe you will see some changes. Yeah. So now as we have two dates, now it's working. Similarly for this one, let me test it with this one first. So there is a value, there is a date in here. Let me see this one. Okay, so just made the changes in all the formulas. I have just changed the first formula for the lender one. Now I'll change for all of these. So now you can see there is a date, but still we can see some values in here. But as soon as I'll enter a new date in here, 2018 to 18. This won't lie within the 2018 because this date is belong to 2023. So yeah, it should be zero now. Let's check this one as well. So there is a date, but obviously we do not have any number in here. So let's check this one. So I have selected a date in this one, but still you can see the results. No worries about it. So when as soon as there will be a new date in here, then you can see the data. Then you can see the total from here. Again, if you will delete all of the dates in here, then so that is it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Take care. Bye.